2017 Ford Explorer, 17,000 miles, clean auto check, balance of factory warranty. Give you a look at it. It does have the nice aggressive Ford styling on the front of it. It has a big chrome grille with the gray plastic inserts. Has the black plastic fascia on the bottom. You also get your front parking sensors on this. And there is a camera mounted. I thought it was up higher, but it's down here. There is a front mounted camera. You get your nice LED wrapped headlights and your parking lights. Bring you around to show you the tires and wheels. It is an alloy wheel, and you have Hankook tires on there. Look to be about a 20-inch tire, I would say. Yeah, they are 20s. Around half tread on the tires. Signals have the integrated turn signal, or the mirrors have the signals integrated right into them, which is a nice feature. Do have your heated driver and passenger side power fold mirrors. And the interior is black on black. You have black leather seats, black carpeting. Do have power passenger and driver side seats. You have some of the nice brushed aluminum and wood grain trim mixed in. You have the nice chrome roof racks. And ample seating in the back. These Explorers have come a long way. You have lots of leg room, lots of headroom back there. You do have power sources on the back of your center console, along with heating and air conditioning controls for the back. You also have rear heated seating in this. And I'll pull that switch on the side of the seat, gets you entry into your third row seating. And surprisingly, there's actually quite a bit of space in the back row there also. I know back in the day, if you sat in the third row, it was like sitting on a milk crate, but actually there's quite a bit of space in there. And your rear tires and wheels, rubber's about the same, around half tread. Bring you around the back, you'll see rear frost and wiper, your fan on the roof for your satellite radio, your rear backup cam, rear sensors. Does have the power lift on the hatch. This Explorer is pretty much loaded to the gills with everything you can get. You have power source back here. You have power fold seating for your third row. It's a nice feature to have. Then the close your hatch, you have your button up there to put it back down. Again, rubber around half. It's pretty equal the whole way around the vehicle. Wheels are all in good shape. No curb rash or anything on the wheels. You have your keyless entry on your door. Give you a look in the interior. You have your three-way memory seating, power locks, windows, mirrors on the driver's door. On the side, you have your controls for your dash illumination. You have your headlight controls, fog lights, another button for your power hatch. The other side of the steering wheel, you do a push button start. It's just becoming more and more common of a thing anymore for vehicles. Your steering wheel has all of your controls for your voice activation, your Bluetooth, telephone, cruise control, heads-up display. We'll light this up a little bit and give you a look. We'll see the current mileage is 17,383. And of course, as you would expect, this also comes with navigation. Of course, that operates right through your display screen here, along with all your audio. You can sync your phones, your iPods, you can sync everything right through there. All the settings for that. Your rear parking assist. And you can bring your front rear cameras up just by pushing that button. Do have heated passenger and driver seating, along with heated or air conditioned passenger driver seating also. All the controls right there for that. Bring it down and show you the cubby hole that opens up. You have a 12-volt power source and a USB port in there. Your automatic transmission selector. And you have your condition dial here for what road conditions you may be driving in. Off-road, sand, snow. Then you have your downward descent button. And you have a nice deep center console with a removable change container on the top. And again, some of the wood grain trim. Leather interior throughout. Nice and clean interior. No smells, no tears, no stains. I'm gonna fire the engine up and give you a look under the hood. You'll see nice clean engine bay. Of course, for engine you have a 3.5 liter Ford V6 engine. Plenty of power coming out of that to get you around. Pretty staple engine for Ford. We put that in a lot of their SUVs and trucks. Last thing I'm going to do on this video is give you one more walk around of this Explorer, pinpoint any blemishes, see if we can find any imperfections on it. There are a few tiny stone chips that have been touched up across the front of the hood, which is a pretty common thing around here for used cars. Couple more tiny stone chips along the door. Back looks pretty good and clean. There is a ding on the front fender right up above. I'm trying to catch it here on the light to show you. Right up above the front wheel on the driver's side. But other than that, it is a pretty clean, straight SUV. If you're interested in coming out and taking a look, maybe take a test drive, feel free to give us a call. Number here is 717-485-4224. Or you can look us up on the website, www.thomasata.com.